I started off with the product. One of the product that I choose is eye vision. Okay, my eyesight is quite bad. So if I look at the TV, I will only see the face. I cannot see eyes, nose, and the mouth. But after a week of using eye vision, I can see the eyes, the nose, and the mouth. Not like blur like that. And when I bought this one, I only see this part.
Right.
And I don't see all these, all these lines. So today I told Stanley, I said, wow, I said I can see the lines, And I didn't know that there is a written left side, right side. So I main hitam saja pakai. And then after using one box of eye vision, and then I told my another friend, Rohaya. She said, "Hey Rohaya, I didn't realize that there's a written left side and right side. So meaning I can see clearly, I can read. That is where I feel eye vision is good.
How many sachets you take per day?
Two sachet, one in the morning, one in the evening.
I see. Alhamdulillah.
So
We are happy
that's
for
why.
you.
Okay, thank you.